Hi! In front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section after scrolling down. Now scroll down again, click on Font and tap on the best one for you in order to apply it. I will go with this one. Now click on Free. And last but not least, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back to your default font, go into the same settings. Close an ad. And then select My Account at the bottom right corner. Following that, click on Fonts section over here, select Roboto at the top, tap on Apply, and then Reboot. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!